Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 21. The purpose of this tutorial is to explain what SSCR Error Code 21 is, what causes it, and how to resolve the error. Per the NSLDS, SSCR Error Code 21 is caused by an invalid enrollment effective date or an enrollment effective date that is less than 12 years in the past when compared to the student's date of birth. Clearinghouse validations prevent this error from occurring on incoming enrollment files. If an SSCR Error Code 21 has been flagged for a student, it is typically due to NSLDS having an incorrect date of birth for the student. To resolve SSCR Error Code 21, first review the student's record in the Clearinghouse system to determine if the student's date of birth is correct. If the record is not correct, update the date of birth through the Student Lookup tab. If the record is correct, you'll need to work directly with NSLDS to update the date of birth that they have for the student. Now we will go over how to review and correct a student's record. After logging in to the Clearinghouse's secure site, go under the Student Lookup tab. Once there, enter the student's SSN and click Search. On the next page, click on the Update Student Record link to bring up a quick view of the student's details. Review the student's date of birth to determine if a correction is needed. If a correction is needed, go under the Select Edit option drop-down menu. To update the date of birth, choose the Update Date of Birth, Anticipated Graduation Date, and/or Block Data Status option. From there, update the student's date of birth and then click Submit. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 21, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.